Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn how to repair Android backlight. Now, this is an Itel phone. The backlight was dead and sorting. The only way to repair Android backlight. Here I have some schematics so that if you want to learn more, you can use them. This is our eyes. Our eyes have 6 legs and a spot. This is at the top. This is the top of our eyes. We have diode, we have resistors, we have coil. Those are the major part in light. So as you see, this phone was dead. At first, you have to measure the voltage from battery to diodes where backlight section is. So after measuring that, you'll be able also to measure the diode. Make sure that you place in the battery in the board so that you'll be able to measure. After measuring, all lines are good. The next part is to measure lines from connector section or screen connector section to a diode where backlight is located. If you can find a positive terminal of light, it means there is a sort. To sort out that, we are going to I recommend you to use roping wires. You'll be able to loop from the screen red to the board where the diode is. Now, this one is now okay, and it can display well. Thanks for watching. Keep on subscribing to our channel. God bless you.